Good morning, Min. Let's start our weekly report on the camera module. We are just 2 weeks away from the launch.
Good morning, Alex. Yes, I have prepared the reports on quality, material, and machine performance.
Great. Let's begin with quality. How are the defect rates for the lens inspection?
The inspection team reported a slight increase in lens scratches. We are at a 1.2% defect rate, which is slightly above the target.
That's concerning. Did you identify the root cause?
Yes, we found some inconsistencies with the cleanroom procedures. Some operators were not following the standard operating procedures, SOP.
We must take immediate corrective actions, retrain the operators, and reinforce SOP compliance.
Understood. I will coordinate a training session tomorrow.
Now, let's move on to material. How about the incoming lens supply?
We received a shipment last Friday. However, 3% of the lenses were out of specification.
Did you contact the supplier?
Yes, the supplier admitted the packaging was damaged during transportation. They will send a replacement today.
Make sure the incoming inspection is thorough.
Absolutely. The quality team will double-check everything.
Good. Now, about the machines. Any update on the camera alignment machines?
One machine had a software error, but the maintenance team fixed it. The machines are now running at 98% efficiency.
Excellent. Prepare the weekly summary and highlight risks in the final launch report.
Will do. Thank you, Alex.